Hello everyone, Carl here at Trucks Unique again. Coming to you today showing you some WeatherGuard boxes. I want to let you know we're a WeatherGuard dealer now, as well as RKI and Betterbuilt. These two trucks are from a local company here that we did the boxes on. So like this truck here has got a wide crossover box with two side boxes, as well as a Kargo Master ladder rack on it. So it's outfitted for the way they need it. You can outfit these trucks any way you want them. We can do them any configuration. So we have this one here. Okay, on this truck we have a standard box, WeatherGuard white standard box, all steel. This one here is 20 inches wide, opposed to the wider one that I mentioned earlier on the other truck that's 27 inches wide. So there's multiple different boxes to choose from, just so you know. And RKI all steel rack on this truck. So between the two trucks there's tons of options for boxes, and we do WeatherGuard, RKI, Betterbuilt, numerous other brands, and we can figure your truck any way you like. Just give us a call here at Trucks Unique when you're ready to do that at 1-800-765-1791. Thanks.
Get your truck ready for anything.